Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to propagate black lace elderberry. First, choose healthy, non-flowering stems from the current year's growth. Look for stems that are about the thickness of a pencil. Using sharp pruners, cut sections that are 6 to 8 inches long. Make sure each cutting has at least 2 to 3 nodes. Carefully remove all leaves from the bottom 2/3 of the cutting, leaving only a few at the top. This prepares your cuttings for rooting. After preparing your cuttings, it's time to encourage root growth. Dip the bottom 1 inch of each cutting into a rooting hormone powder or gel. This significantly increases your success rate. Next, prepare a pot with a well-draining potting mix, such as a blend of perlite and peat moss. Use a pencil or stick to make holes in the soil. Gently insert each cutting, ensuring at least 2 nodes are buried. Firm the soil around the base. To help your elderberry cuttings thrive, create a humid environment. You can do this by covering the pot with a clear plastic bag or dome, ensuring it doesn't touch the leaves. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid overwatering, which can lead to rot. Place your cuttings in a location that receives bright, indirect light. Avoid direct, harsh sunlight, especially during the hottest parts of the day. Roots should begin to form in 4 to 6 weeks. Once your elderberry cuttings have developed a robust root system, typically 1 to 2 inches long, they are ready for transplanting into larger pots or directly into your garden. Before moving them outdoors permanently, gradually acclimate them to external conditions over 7 to 10 days. This process, called hardening off, prevents shock. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Provide consistent water and watch your new elderberry plants flourish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.